we'll guide you through how to make Glossy GFX Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom is open, import the GFX image you want to edit into the program. After the image has been imported successfully, select it from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin enhancing the appearance of the image. Increase the exposure slightly to brighten the overall image while preserving important details. After adjusting the exposure, increase the highlights to make the brightest areas stand out more and create a cleaner, more polished appearance. Next, increase the whites to improve the intensity of the lightest tones and give the image a brighter, glossier finish. Continue by reducing the blacks slightly to maintain depth and improve the contrast without making the shadows too dark. After adjusting the black levels, increase the texture slightly to enhance the fine details and make the image appear sharper. Then, increase the clarity slightly to improve mid-tone contrast and add more definition while maintaining a smooth overall look. Once the basic adjustments are complete, open the color grading panel to refine the colors of the image. Adjust the highlight colors if needed by modifying the highlight color wheel until the brighter areas have the desired color tone. Make small adjustments to achieve a balanced glossy appearance without overwhelming the original colors. After completing the color grading, review the glossy effect by checking the overall brightness, contrast, detail, and color balance of the edited image.